Have you ever wondered how to get in on one of the most exciting, fastest-moving fields on the entire planet? Well, you are in exactly the right place. Today, we're going to dive into the future of work itself, artificial intelligence.
So let's just kick things off with a big question. What do you think is the single fastest-growing professional field in the world right now? You know, the one creating more opportunities, more buzz than pretty much anything else.
Yep, you probably guessed it. It's artificial intelligence. And look, this is so much more than just another tech buzzword. It is a genuine, revolutionary force that is completely reshaping the job market as we know it, creating careers we're only just starting to dream up.
We're calling this the AI Gold Rush. And before we get into the nitty-gritty of what these jobs are and how you can land one, we really need to understand the why. Why is this incredible surge happening right here, right now?
So, what exactly is AI when we strip it all down? Well, at its core, it's pretty simple. It's the science of making machines smart. Think of it as this powerful cocktail of computer science, some pretty advanced math, and a whole lot of data analysis, all working together to build systems that can do things we used to think only humans could do.
And here is the absolute key. Industries everywhere, I mean all of them, are racing to bring in automation and machine learning. This isn't just some passing trend, it's a massive tectonic shift. And that shift is creating this huge global hunger for people who can build, manage, and make sense of these new intelligent systems.
Okay, so the demand is absolutely off the charts, we get that. But what do people in AI actually, do all day? Well, that brings us right here, where we're going to map out the main career paths you can take in this amazing field.
First up, let's talk about the architects. These are your machine learning engineers and your AI researchers. Think of them as the brilliant minds drawing up the blueprints. They're the ones creating the core algorithms, the predictive models, basically the heart and the brain of any AI system.
But those amazing models are totally useless without one critical thing: data. And that's where the interpreters come in, your data scientists and analysts. Their job is to wrangle these enormous, messy data sets. They clean them up, they organize them, and they find the hidden patterns, the little golden nuggets of insight that fuel the whole operation. They literally make sense of all the noise.
And that's where the builders come in. The AI engineer takes the models from the architects and the insights from the interpreters, and they put it all together. They are the ones who build the actual apps and smart systems that you and I interact with every single day.
So where do they build all this cool stuff? Honestly, just about everywhere. The reach of AI is just staggering. We're talking about healthcare, creating new diagnostic tools, finance, stopping fraud in its tracks, transportation, with things like self-driving cars, and even in education, creating personalized learning. AI pros are making a real impact in every major industry you can think of. Okay, so you're probably feeling pretty excited. You can see the massive opportunity here. But the question is, how do you get there? Let's talk about what you need to build your own AI toolkit, the must-have skills for success. Now, the most important thing to get here is balance. Being successful in AI is not just about the hardcore technical stuff, like coding in Python or knowing your linear algebra. Of course, those are absolutely essential, but it is equally about the soft skills. AI projects are a team sport, which makes creative problem-solving and clear communication just as critical as writing perfect code. The real magic happens when those two toolkits come together.
And finally, let's look to the horizon, because this field is not standing still for a second. It's evolving at lightning speed. So what's next? What does the future of AI jobs even look like?
I really want you to let this next thought sink in. It's a really powerful idea. By jumping into the world of AI today, you are quite literally preparing for jobs and roles that we can't even imagine yet. The potential really is almost limitless.
And we are already seeing the seeds of this future popping up. As AI gets more and more woven into our society, totally new jobs are emerging. We're going to need experts in ethical AI to make sure these systems are fair. We'll need human-AI interaction designers to make them easy and intuitive for us to use. And we'll absolutely need specialists in AI policy to help us navigate this powerful new world responsibly.
So just remember this. The future of AI isn't something that's just going to happen to us. It is being actively built right now, today, by the very people who are jumping into the field as we speak. So that just leaves us with one final, really important question. How will you shape it?